In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Prestashop child theme. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to prestashop.com and from in there, proceed to click on this Get Started option. So this should be able to help us sign up and create our account on the actual Prestashop. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here the Prestashop offers. Click on the show offers and you can see that we have Classic, Boosted, and Enterprise. So the classic right here gives you free download with associated cost. It's based on the version 9 of the Prestashop software. So the hosted also have other options like this free 14 days trial with hosting on Gandhi and installation on your online store. So for this case, let's proceed to actually choose which one. I'll choose classic. And once you have done that, you should be able to see right here this download pad. Just click on this right here, enter your email, and then choose what you want to use PrestaShop. After that, click on download. Once you have done that, I have in here this documentation about the parent and child theme. So PrestaShop relies on a lot of template inheritance in order to create the most consistent theme possible. So the principle right here is about extending the template within the same theme. So to create a child theme, you first need to have a theme that you want to use as a parent in your store. You can find it by going to the themes folder. You can create very minimal theme containing only the files for the config, theme YML, and preview in PNG. It's recommended to copy these files from the parent theme. So once you have this, you will need to specify the child theme, which theme should be used as a parent, as well as which is the name of the child theme. You can choose right here the display name, the version, and assets that this will use as well. You can also override templates to do anything without further modification and redefine the whole template right there by going over to the parent-child relationship. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.